Hi, I'm Steve Richardson and welcome to my latest video. Today, I want to talk to you about not what I usually do, marketing ideas, office systems, technology, but what I want to talk to you about is your why. Why you practice law, why you became a lawyer, and how does that fit into your life? We all practice law for our own reasons, but sometimes we get so caught up in it that we forget why we're doing it. We forget, to some extent, to live our lives, to live a life less ordinary, to live the life we want to. And we don't want to end that life with regrets. We've all heard the expression or the saying that on your deathbed, nobody ever said, I wish I had spent more time in the office. Well, ironically enough, an author and palliative care nurse by the name of Bonnie Ware wrote a book, The Top 5 Regrets of the Dying, A Life Transformed by the Dearly Departing. And in that book, she talks about the top 5 things that people regret on their deathbeds. And it really kind of helps put things into perspective. So if you haven't thought about your why lately and whether you're living the life you want to live, consider these 5 regrets. I wish I'd had the courage to live a life true to myself, not the life others expected of me. Sometimes, people growing up, parents are saying, hey, you should be a lawyer, you should be a doctor, you should be this, you should be that. And we find that we go into professions where we live our lives based on what other people are expecting of us, not what we want. And that's their why for your life, not yours. So don't get caught up in that. The second is, I wish I hadn't worked so hard. That's another way of putting that, the opposite ironic statement of, I wish I had spent more time in the office. People usually don't wish that. They wish the other way around. I wish I hadn't spent so much time in the office. So don't have that regret that you worked too hard. Third, I wish I'd had the courage to express my feelings. You know how it is. We, we as lawyers, we bottle things up. At least I tend to. And we keep that stress inside because we have a stressful job. But you need that release. You need to express your feelings, and not just about something that may be bothering you at work, but take the time to tell people how you feel, to tell your spouse, to tell your friends. And the next one, I wish I had stayed in touch with my friends. If you're always at the office, but you're not spending time with your spouse, your friends, your life outside what you do for a living. You're doing something for a living so that you can live, so that you can spend time with your spouse, spend time with your friends. Don't have that regret. And the fifth one, I wish I had let myself be happier. It's okay to be happy. We spend so much time as lawyers worrying about other people's problems, trying to solve other people's unhappiness. And we tend to take that on ourselves, take on other people's problems. And we get weighed down by that. We don't let ourselves be happy because it's hard to let go of the problems of our clients. So think about those 5 things. And I'll add one more, one bonus. And this is from a friend and fellow business coach, Charlie Mann. As he said in his newsletter, I wish I hadn't worked so hard on things that don't matter to me or make my life better. Now, isn't that really what we should be doing? Working on hard, working hard on things that matter to you or make your life better. So maybe use that as a litmus test for what you do going forward. Is what you're doing, does what you're doing matter to you? Does it make your life better? And if it doesn't, you should consider whether or not you should continue doing it. So I hope I've given you a lot to think about in this video. And if you liked it, please be sure to hit that like button. It'll help the YouTube algorithm and the channel. And if you've been liking the videos I've been producing, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of new videos. I try to put one out at least once a week. So that's it, and I'll see you in the next video.